Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Now we will start biology revision classes. Here lesson number 1 already we are completed when we are doing revision, and here I hope everyone you can understood. Just recall what I taught in previous classes. Here food supplying system, how the food is supplies in this nutrition we are going to see. Here nutrition mainly two types, you all know, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Here in there photosynthesis process, what is the photosynthesis process? By using photosynthesis process, some activities are there. The activities, first one, starch in leaves, or that is nothing but carbohydrates are present in leaf. And next topic we are completed that factors, also called as a materials, essential the process of the photosynthesis. And then the fact, what are the factors? What do you mean by materials? Are nothing but air, that nothing but carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the materials or factors are essential for the photosynthesis. If you see air and photosynthesis, Joseph Priestley is discovered oxygen in the year 1774. Next, we can see the name of the oxygen was coined by Lavoisier in the year 1775. Here, one activity is there, that is nothing but air. Air is nothing but carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. This carbon dioxide it is also called as a fixed gas. And one lab activity is there, that is nothing but oxygen is produced during photosynthesis process and by using sunlight. Another activity is the dark pepper experiment. It is also called as a sunlight is necessary to form starch in green plants. And we have completed TS of leaf and another one TS of chloroplast. These two things are we are completed. And next we are completed mechanism of photosynthesis. In their mechanism mainly two types are there. One is a light independent reaction and a light dependent reaction. In the light dependent reaction is also called as a photochemical phase, and light independent reaction is also called biosynthetic phase. Till now we have completed that autotrophic nutrition, and next topic is nothing but heterotrophic nutrition. Some examples are given here, that is nothing but amoeba, paramecium. And next parasitic nutrition in cuscuta plants. And next topic is nothing but nutrition in human beings. In this nutrition human beings, from mouth to anus, different parts are there, how the parts are working and which enzymes are present on there, everything they were explained in this topic. And next we are seeing here food passage through, how the food is passage, and what are the alimentary canal and or gut, how it is plays important role, what is there in the canal gut, okay, and how many salivary glands are there, we are completed in this topic. Next peristaltic movements also we are completed. The food moves from contraction relaxation. The movements are called as the peristaltic movements, also be seen in this lesson. Next we see some enzymes chart and some flow chart from digestive system, from mouth to anus. The flow chart you have to read for exams, compulsory it will come. And next malnutrition, and here protein deficiency, calorie deficiency, protein calorie deficiency, and what are the diseases occurs we will see in malnutrition. Last one is vitamin deficiency diseases, and some one flow chart is given, like table, and the table what are the different vitamins are there. And here vitamins, all you all know two types of vitamins, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins all B complex, B1, B2, B3, all will undergoes this B complex, and vitamin C will undergoes the water soluble vitamins. And fat soluble vitamins are nothing but vitamin E, D, E, K are the fat soluble vitamins. That flow one table is given, and which vitamin deficiency, what food we have to eat, everything is explained on the particular table. This is a full lesson nutrition, and in there autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition are explained in this lesson. Okay, next class we will see detailed explanation about this nutrition. I hope you all are understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. Okay, and you can call us personally. You can ask any questions through messages. I thank you all, and be ready for the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.